Hi guys, today we are back with a special guest called Daniel Petresky, my little brother. Say hi, Daniel.
Hey guys!
Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
Alright, so he is going to play
Aiden, you're not on my level.
Breaking Bones with me.
Aiden, you're not here.
I
I'm
know.
level 1.
No,
I'm on map 1.
bro. I'm on level like 8 or so. Anyway.
You're on level 9. You're on level 18.
Anyway, so guys, I'm on level 18 in this.
And I'm on level 2.
Because he just started playing a few days ago, like 2 days ago or so. And yeah,
Aiden, I'm on map 1.
go on that too, bro.
I can't.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm bleeding.
Okay.
Aiden, where are you?
I'm on level 8. I mean map 8. Sorry.
Can you go on map 1?
No, I don't want to.
Why? Map 1's fun.
Oh no, no, I forgot to do something, guys. Wee.
You guys are a genius.
Oh,
Absolutely.
I would hurt more if that.
Ooh, bro.
Okay, wait, bro, what? What just happened?
Is it not?
Nah,
No,
stop. Okay, oh my
it's
god.
from me.
Ah.
The splits.
So guys, Daniel, my little brother, doesn't have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, but my brother Adrian does.
Mm.
What map were you on?
I'm not sure.
Map. Oh, you're on map 1.
No, I'm not.
There you are.
I'm on the horror one, Daniel.
Oh, man.
Oh. Oh. I'll just scream in terror. But I won't be able to be dead in real life if that happens.
Wait, what's wrong with you?
It's part of the game, Daniel.
Ah,
Anyway, just stop talking, guys.
I've got you!
Stop.
Why? I'm gonna do
Or whatever, Daniel.
I'm gonna to 2 million.
I'll give me more money. Show me.
No, I'm not.
Show me. Show
I'm
me.
not.
Oh, bro, you're not even close.
I know.
I'm actually not that close either. I'm like a
300,000.
Daniel. I wasn't gonna say that right. Anyway,
Ooh, I need the water.
oh, oh, crap. Wee.
I need the water.
No way. Oh.
I need the water. I need the freaking water.
Thanks, Dad.
Put a little bit of salt on there.
It's good, Dad. Alright. Alright. Daniel, what map are you on?
Map 1.
Wait, what? Map 1.
Yeah.
Are you playing?
I ate him.
I hate this map. What?
There's a little bit of pepper in here.
No, it's not.
Looks like this is glass.
Okay. Daniel, I'm on level 5. Go. Doesn't matter, okay. So guys, I am on level 5. Oh, guys. Lights out for this dude here.
That's up for me too.
Moving on.
Wow, you're better for us.
Oh. What? I know. Oh.
I'm doing that.
I know. What?
I'm doing a video.
Shush, Daniel.
I'm doing a video.
Oh my god, shush.
Are you doing it?
Yes, shush.
Then talk.
Sometimes he can get, guys, sometimes he can be a man. So sometimes.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Guys, look. Alright. Then stop. Okay. Oh.
What did you think of those chips, boys?
What, Dad?
What did you think of those chips?
No?
Just like them.
Yeah. Yeah, we did. Came in like a wrecking ball. Guys, watch this. I came in like a wrecking ball. Oh, that was a massive lag.
You just drop.
Crap.
Let's drop.
Right. So guys, now it's time to wrap it up. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment and press that like button and comment who you think's better.
Me or him?
Oh, and don't forget to press the notification bell to never miss a video. For now, bye guys, bye. Then I'll say bye.
Bye.
Bye.